Hello and welcome to another video. My name is Taylor, and the topic of today's lesson is a classification of inorganic acids. Well, let's start. Acids can be divided into different groups depending on the adopted criteria. There are really many such criteria. Today we will focus on 4 basic criteria for the division of acids. Here they are. The first one is structure of the acid residue. The second is division by power. The third one is the division according to the number of hydrogen atoms, and the fourth one is the division based on oxidizing properties. Now let's focus on the first division, the structure of the acid residue A. If Ra, the residue, contains, among other things, oxygen, then the acid, as the name suggests, belongs to the group of oxyacids. However, if A is a single atom, for example, chlorine or bromine, then such an acid will be an anaerobic, oxygen-free acid. Second on our list is the division of acids according to their strength, so otherwise known as power. What determines the strength of an acid? The strength of the acid is determined by the dissociation constant Ka. The higher this constant, the stronger the acid. We will talk about the constant and degree of dissociation soon in the next lessons. As you can see, I am showing you examples of weak and strong acids. If I were to be more precise with this division, I would include very weak acids, strong acids, and very strong so-called superacids. Our third division is based on the number of hydrogen atoms. If an acid has one hydrogen, it is monoprotic or monobasic. If we see 2 hydrogen atoms in the formula, the acid is diprotic. If it has 3 hydrogen atoms, it is triprotic. And fourth, last but not least, we have division concerning oxidizing properties. Acids can be divided into those that have strong oxidizing properties and those that have weak or no oxidizing properties. In the next lesson, we'll talk about redox properties. Redox, also known as reduction oxidation. A given acid can be classified into different groups. For example, nitric acid. It belongs to monoprotic acid, oxyacid, strong acid, and oxidizing acid. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I invite you to leave comments, and if you don't want to miss the next lessons, I encourage you to subscribe. See you in the next episode of Bowl of Chemistry Knowledge.